British and Irish Lions head coach Andy Farrell says plenty of Welsh fans have shaken his hand in recent days following Jac Morgan's inclusion in the Test matchday squad. The Welsh captain was left out of the first Test in Brisbane but made his Lions Test debut from the bench in Melbourne, helping inspire a dramatic comeback win that clinched the series. Morgan has retained his place among the replacements for the final Test in Sydney, as Farrell aims to lead the Lions to their first clean sweep over Australia since 1927. I've met a few good Welsh fans. They seem like they're happy and they're shaking my hand for the decision on Jac, he said. Farrell has been firm throughout the tour that selections are based on merit, not quotas from each nation. But with Morgan the only Welsh player in the Test squad, his performances have ensured that all 4 home nations are represented on merit alone. In the back row, Farrell is stuck with Tom Curry, Jack Conan and Tadhg Beirne to start all 3 tests, with Morgan offering impact from the bench once again. Big names like Josh van der Fleer and Henry Pollock lead the tour without a Test cap, but Farrell insists the spirit among the wider squad has been extraordinary.
With a dramatic finish like that to win the series is what dreams are made of, and no one can deny that for us now. It's a special moment for everyone.
The players not selected were the loudest celebrating in Melbourne, and that says it all. Morgan's powerful clear-out in the build-up to the winning try stirred controversy, but Farrell dismissed complaints and saying it was textbook. With confidence high and unity strong, the Lions now stand on the brink of history. A 3rd straight victory would seal an unbeaten tour, the first since 1974. And Morgan's emergence has offered Wales a proud presence in a squad built on competition, resilience and shared ambition.